The following message is transmitted as a request by the Pennington County Sheriff Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. There is a really mean person with a lot of subscribers who's making EAS scenarios out of good users. The person is pix-Elle and Friends Studios. She is a 10-year-old girl with demon eyes. That looks like the Furby Furblets wave. That looks like pix-Elle from Furby Furblets Wave 1. Stay tuned for more local media outlets on the strange information until they become available.